This episode is proudly supported by theskillmodeler.com. Hey guys, welcome to part 5. This will be the final installment of the MX5 video series. I will be doing a part 6, but that's just all the pictures I took and will be a really short video. In this video I will basically be gluing all the parts together and completing the model. Gluing on all the clear parts, I am using a combination of GS Hypo cement. This is a really strong jeweler's cement that dries clear and dries hard, and could be compared to a 2-pack or 2K glue, but it's not as strong, but it works just as good. And I am also using some wood glue just to keep it in place and make sure it doesn't move or fall into the model when it's all assembled. Also, another side note, you might not always see me using glue, but all the parts are definitely glued in, and 9 out of 10 times I use super glue, CA glue from Zap. guys, that's it. I'm putting on the license plate and wrapping up this build. I hope you enjoyed the video series and learned something from the spray can and polishing tutorials. If you want to see more stuff like that, just leave a comment or shoot me an email. And if you have any criticism or positive things to say about the build, also leave a comment. Check out theskilledmodeler.com and of course our Facebook page. Any other questions or suggestions from this build or anything else, shoot me an email or post a comment. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.